is the time for the cucumbers.
The cucumbers. Hey, food babies!
Welcome back.
So today we are doing it's kind of like a Russian roulette of DairyQueen. So each of the kids have a plain DairyQueen Blizzard, right? It's just soft serve. And what they're gonna do is pick a letter
A number
out of their cups. And they're numbered 1 through 10. So whatever, gosh, there's a fly.
And it's really
Ugh. So whatever number they get, they have to put into their Blizzard. Now the thing is, there's 5 good ingredients and there's 5 icky ingredients.
Oh, sorry, I thought there was
So they
6.
have to at least take 1 bite after we're done combining the Blizzard.
Is she saying?
Are you guys excited for it? Let's get started. Youngest gets to go first.
Okay.
So take your cup and pick 1 number.
Yes, right.
Just grab a number. Just one. Just 1 number. There you go.
3.
Number 3?
Yeah.
Okay. Number 3! What is that? Did you get some in there?
3, yeah.
Okay.
Uh-huh.
Kata's
That
turn.
sounds yummy. I don't want it.
All right. Let's see. What do you get?
4.
4.
Oreo! 3. I need more.
Okay, you can have more.
Scary. Like, it's scary. 5.
Okay, you didn't put the number 3 back in there, did you?
Yeah, no.
Okay.
Kabal gets Cheetos.
Oh no. Ew, you so, oh my gosh, poor kid.
I'm having a great start, guys.
Please sit
I
down,
love
please,
my
baby.
life. It's amazing.
All right. Sorry, Kamal. So far he has a Cheeto beef jerky Blizzard.
Blizzard. 9. Strawberries? Oh my god!
How are you so lucky? Okay, you go ahead, buddy.
Because I was closing my eyes.
Oh, there you go. That's perfect.
Guys, I am the best.
What number is that?
I don't know.
It's upside down.
8. Beans.
Oh my god! I'm sorry, honey. Oh, poor kid. Okay, you only have two more tries, right?
Me? No.
Kata, you only have 2 more. Kata has 3 more, so you go ahead and pick your 3rd.
I'll do this one. Gummy bears!
Oh, how is this happening?
What is the number for gummy bears?
2.
I got 2.
Okay, you go, buddy. No, you don't get to look.
2.
Oh, that was cheating.
No.
Nope, it's 10. That's what you get.
Cucumber.
That's what you get
What's
for
cucumber?
cheating.
It's like pickles.
It's just
Pickles?
without the pickle flavor.
What's this?
Oh my
What
god,
is it?
Cavell, Cheeto. Ugh. Oh, I don't think so. He got way more than that. You have to deal with the consequences. All right, Cavell, you have 2 more turns. Wait, no, you have 1 more turn. Let's see what you get. What do you get? What do you get?
A 6, I think. This is crazy, guys.
Yep, you got graham crackers.
What? No. He got 9.
Oh, then strawberries. You can do it. Careful though, because you might dump the whole thing in there, so just be gentle. There you go.
Yay.
Okay. Okay.
Are we done yet? No. What?
This is Kata's last turn.
6. I only got 1 bad.
It's gonna be okay. All right, now you can. How about we do this?
Crap. Oh, no. Oh, I have a good one, except for the cucumbers, guys. I hate those.
Here's the thing now. You gotta stir it up, baby.
Oh,
Oh, yours is not bad except for the cucumber, but still, ew. Kata, let's list what you got. Cucumber, strawberry, graham cracker, gummy bear, and Oreo. And Cavell's got a strawberry, cucumber, kidney bean Cheeto, and and beef jerky blizzard.
Now is the time for the
The cucumbers. Okay, now it's time. You have to take one bite. One bite wins it all.
No, I want 3.
Did you even get a cucumber in there?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, take a real bite, bud.
Cucumber mixed with gummy bear.
Can't be that bad, is it? Did you get Cheeto in there?
Wait, I'm almost done. I only
Are
have
you
gummy bear.
choking? You only
I
have
want a
gummy bear?
3 bite. No,
You're gonna have another one? You're just trying to get the strawberry.
I did it.
Oh my gosh. I don't know if I could have done that. Ew, Gavel. It's everywhere. Don't throw up, please. Puke alert. All right, guys. I think we're done. Oh, Gata's still chewing on hers. All right, well, thanks so much for watching. I hope this was entertaining. Until next time, you guys, don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. Hit the notification bell so you can be one big happy family. And until next time,
I'm still
mwah.
eating.